Alright, so here is a very specific little hack that I wanted to share with you. And yeah, maybe you'll find it useful. So the PC version of Hi-Fi Rush just so happens to have a lower shadow resolution than the PS5 version. For whatever reason, might be an oversight. And it's unlikely to get fixed now that the development studio has been closed by Microsoft. So I found a way to change that during runtime. And in order to do that, you will need this little app called Unreal Engine Unlocker. It has to be one of the newer versions that you can get on Patreon. I think I tried the old free version and it didn't work. So it has to be a bit newer so that it's compatible with Hi-Fi Rush. When you start it, you go on select and then you select the process that you want to hook into. In my case, that would be Hi-Fi Rush. And you press inject DLL. And now you see a bunch of stuff pop up here in the upper left corner. And then you can go back to the game. And here we see our shadows on the floor that are a bit low resolution. And our character. And if we press the tilde key on the keyboard twice, we can get into the console. And we want to type something to increase the shadow resolution. So that would be r.shadow.max resolution. And we hit enter. It's case insensitive, so it doesn't matter if it's like uppercase or lowercase. And it'll show us the current shadow resolution. In this case, that's the shadow resolution for the character. And if we press the up arrow, and then we type 4096, and we hit enter, watch the shadow on the character, it gets a higher resolution. Now we want to do the same thing for the environment, so we hit r.shadow.max CSM resolution. CSM stands for cascaded shadow maps, and if we hit enter, it shows us the last set value is 4096. So we want to increase that to 8192. Watch the fencing on the floor. There you go. Alright, so now the game runs with super crisp high resolution shadows. And unfortunately I haven't found a way to inject those values automatically on startup. So yeah, let me know if you have a way of doing that. Maybe I can put it in an ini file and it'll do that, I'm not sure. But this is a way to do it at runtime using Unreal Engine Unlocker. Enjoy!